Over the last 10 years, begonias have become, I think, the preeminent UK favourite summer flowering patio plant. And I think there's a number of reasons for that. The first is, whatever the weather, you know, we get sometimes in different weather. Sometimes it's boiling hot, the next week it's really cold and wet. It's very variable, it's very unpredictable in the UK, but begonias actually will thrive in any weather. Hot, dry, wet, doesn't matter. They just do not care. They will just carry on flowering. The other thing that begonias are incredibly tolerant is light levels. So they will flower from very early in the year all the way through until very late in the year. So even with the change in day length, they just keep flowering, which is also a factor around shade versus bright sun. So if your garden gets sun for some of the day, they'll be fine. If it gets sun for only a tiny fraction of the day, these are still going to be okay because begonias will flower in shade or bright sunlight. Now, Supercascade is an outstanding variety for a number of specific reasons. First of all, the flowers are double, so you've got layered petals within them, and you've got this incredible colour palette. So you've got everything from pink to yellow to peach to white, all sorts of beautiful colours that are blended with great care. So what we've done is we've taken all of the individual single colours and we've created a mix which is harmonious, that gives you the widest distribution of colours available and will give you a very pretty, productive, beautiful, attractive basket. So rain or dry, sun or shade, it doesn't matter. These will flower for you all the way through the whole of the year. Now, they're available in garden ready form, which means that these basically, we've done all of the growing. So if you think it's a bit late in the season, or you just didn't get round to sowing and growing on your plants this year, don't worry, we've done the work for you. So when yours arrive, nursery fresh, they will be ready to pot up and plant out. So they really are the perfect answer for either the busy gardener, the lazy gardener, or somebody that's brand new to gardening who really doesn't know what to do with the younger plants, or especially seed, and begonia seed in particular is very fiddly because it's so small. In fact, begonia seed, gram for gram, is as expensive as gold. So it tells you just how many seeds per gram begonia is. It's absolutely minute. So we've done all of the hard work. We've grown them on. We've got them to the point where they're garden ready. All you've got to do is get them planted. And when you do get them planted in hanging baskets where they can gently cascade, perhaps in window boxes or manger baskets, they will look fabulous and they'll flower from May through till October, even November. And in fact, it will only be the first frosts that stop them from flowering. So grow these in your garden, enjoy them in your hanging baskets or anywhere they can cascade, and really do join the crowd with the UK's most popular and certainly most favourite bedding plant, which is begonia.